very good morning to all my dear students, our respected Vice Principal Sir, HR Madam, the coordinators, and my dear teachers. As you know, the 23rd January is the birthday of our great leader, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. But due to some reasons, we are celebrating it on the 22nd of January. He was born in Cuttack in the state Odisha on 23rd January 1897. He was the ninth child of Janaki Nath Bose, a prominent lawyer, and Prabhavati Devi, who raised in a well-educated and patriotic Bengali family. His early life was shaped by a deep sense of nationalism and strong value for education. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose showed a great academic progress from a young age and was deeply influenced by the ideas of freedom and service to the nation. The teachings of Swami Vivekananda and his family involved in the independence movement played a key role in his formative years. Subhash Chandra Bose was known for his fearless personality, deep patriotism, and dynamic leadership. Publicly, he was admired for his slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." And for uniting Indians across different regions, his charismatic image earned him the title Netaji, meaning a respected leader. Subhash Chandra Bose was a key figure in India's fight for freedom from British rule. He formed the army, which was at that time known as Mukti Sena, from Indian prisoners of wars and popularizing the slogan Jai Hind from the Free India Center in Germany. The Mukti Sena soldiers first referred to Bose as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose's hero of Indian struggle for the freedom, and he was a real hero in all our lives, which must be given a proper respect. His famous quote, "In this mortal world, everything perishes and will perish, but the ideals, and dream do not," encapsulates the profound legacy he left behind, one that continues to inspire our generations. Netaji was an exceptionally bright individual who placed fourth in the esteemed Indian civil services test. He famously resigned from the affluent employment, claiming he was unable to serve the British monarchy. He took a strong stance on freedom, believing that Purna Swaraj, that is total independence, requires more than just a peaceful task. He Odysseus escaped from house detention in Kolkata to Europe and ultimately Southeast Asia during